Hi guys, welcome back to the Automobile Infos. Well, let's say you're stuck in a pickle with your Mahindra ESUV. You need to replace your tire. What are all the tools that are provided with the car? How do you remove this to actually access the bolts that tighten the wheel? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how. So, in your boot, you have all the tools that you need. So, you pick this up and as you can see, this is the spare wheel. It's not an alloy, it's a smaller sized wheel, and it also tells you the PSI for the spare wheel. So if I remove that, you see this is the towing hook of the car. This is a wheel guide stud. You screw it into the hub. It holds and aligns the wheel so you can easily put the nuts on, then remove it once the wheel is secured. This is the towing hook of the car. This is the jack. This is to wind the jack. This is a small spanner to tighten any screws that you might see. That is to open the wheels. That is to open the bolts that are on the wheel. And you get the screwdriver. Now why do you actually get this? Well, using this screwdriver, you see it's a double-sided, so you can use it any ways you like, and using this flat end, you see this gap, you access this and then you slowly pull. When you pull from all sides, so you put this inside, the screwdriver is not of the best quality. As you can see, it keeps coming out, but what you need to do is once you have a loose end, you actually just use your hands and you pull on it, then you pull. So after pulling, you can actually see all these are the bolts you need to open to change the wheel. The BE6 does not get any anti-theft bolts. As you can see, all these are of the same size, and you just remove this like a normal tire and then insert your spare tire and then replace your spare tire. To put this back, just keep it here and then press it. You might have to try a couple of different orientations. What you have to do to insert it is to put your pressure here, not on these 5 sides. You push this in really hard and it will go inside. Then inside here you also get the 3.3 kilowatt charger, which I have not used yet, and you also get the standard warning triangle. This is the warning triangle. You get a first aid kit, and these are all the tools you get with your BE6. If this video helped you, then please give it a like, subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content, comment down below what you'd like to see next. Until then, drive safe and have a happy journey.